Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix a weed eater. I'm going to teach you how to fix the carburetor or replace the carburetor and replace the fuel filter. So, well, let's get into it. I'm Jay. This is Jay's How To channel. Okay, I'm taking off the air filter cover and removing the air filter. Now I'm coming in with a Torx bit screwdriver. I'm removing both Torx bits bolts. If you want to replace this carburetor and filter, I've got an affiliate link in the description below the video. I'm removing this plastic carburetor cover piece. And I've got this carburetor exposed. Now I'm pulling off the fuel line. Yeah, this won't work. I have to use needle nose pliers. Okay, got it. Yeah, and then that one too. Now I'm replacing the fuel filter. I'm coming in with hemostats, or you can use needle nose pliers. And a hook. I originally had to replace this fuel filter because it was clogged. Then I had to install the old carburetor. That's why the fuel is in the fuel tank. I'm inspecting the fuel filter to make sure it's clean. It's well clogged up. It's really messy. Okay, I'm coming in with a razor blade and cutting it off. Now I'm coming in with the new filter. Now I want to twist this in and make sure that it gets securely in place. Okay, now I'm inspecting this and stuffing it back into the fuel tank. Now I'm comparing these two carburetors and making sure they match. I've got the brand new one. I'm attaching the cable to the throttle lever. Now I'm coming in with the two bolts. Oh shoot, I forgot to install the fuel lines. Okay, making sure I get my fuel lines connected. And then reattaching the cable. If you're finding value in this video, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button or leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of the video so far. It really helps the video spread out to other people and hopefully be able to help them out as well. Now I'm attaching both of these Torx bolts. And tightening these down. Okay, coming back in with the air filter and the cover for the air filter. Okay, now I'm adding fuel to the fuel tank. And priming the fuel. Look at that. It just got primed. Okay, I'm coming in to start the weed eater